Previously on Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, this is episode 69. And here we are. Shower tile is complete. Time to prep and grout it. Let's show you what the shower looks like before we grout this. Dark brown 3-foot plank, 2 niches. Here it is. Installed at a 33% offset, 12 by 20 niche here. Schluter jolly. We have a little small niche for shaving. Our small, low profile Schluter curb. So we're going to get right to it. Mix up some grout this shower, grout the floor, get some baseboard and toilet, and try to wrap up this project today.
You know, a dream like this seems kind of vaguely ludicrous and completely unattainable. But this moment is directly connected to those childhood events. And for anybody who's on the downside of advantage, rely purely on courage.
And here we are. Our work in this hall bath is complete. Let's show you the final product. We are moving into the master bathroom, and doing another shower and floor remodel. But here it is. We have a 12 by 24 rectified travertine look, 1/16 inch of grout joints, Clean, flat, level. Very durable floor tile. Installed baseboard, toilet is back in. This is the original vanity. They like it, so it will stay. Let's show you the shower. We have a spa look, a spa feel. Wood look shower walls. 3-foot porcelain planks. Let's talk about the layout. We installed this at a 33% offset. Full 2/3, 1/3. Fantastic layout if you're considering installing a wood plank for your shower. It is random enough, but also has symmetry. 12 by 20 niche, Schluter Jolly, matte finish. And as you can see, our layout continues through the back of this niche. Up and around. We also have a small niche down here for shaving, landing at the bottom of the full tile, just like this back wall niche as well. Full tiles start at the pan and end at the bottom of the niche. Installed a new mixing valve, of course, raised the shower head, and capped off this wall here with, again, Schluter Jolly, subtle trim edging. Let's quickly take a look at our low profile curb, approximately 3¼ inches high and wide. This is Schluter curb, Schluter pan, and of course the walls are Schluter Curdy board, 100% waterproof. Pan tile, we have sheeted 2x2 porcelain. The pan is sealed, the grout, Schluter drain kit and grate, and that's pretty much it, guys. Turned out fantastic, clean, beautiful, durable shower that will last a lifetime. Well, thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell notification, tap like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.